Warm welcome from Brain Station 23. Now we will demonstrate a presentation on POS and warehouse. So for managing this, first we are going through the product interface. Here we can see the product in very Kanban view, and we can also select the product in list view also. Here we can see the total sale price, cost price, the product category, existing on hand, forecasted, and we can update the on hand product through manually or through purchase order. To update the product quantity manually, so we have to go to individual product form, then we have to click on the edit menu, and there is a menu called update quantity on hand. Here we can see that the existing quantity is 0. So when we click on the update quantity, here we can select the location and the quantity. Here I am writing 1000. So after applying the code, the quantity updated on 1000 piece. Then I can save the product. And another process of updating product quantity, if we manage the purchase flow, from purchase order, then we have to select a vendor from whom we have buy the product. The quantity is 450, the unit price. If there is any tax, we can fill up this tax form, and the subtotal will be automatically calculated, and we can add multiple product from a vendor form by clicking the add an item menu. When it is done, then we can click on save. Also for purchase order, we have to select the warehouse where the product will be stored. Where we are selecting your company, and then we are confirming the order. Okay. After confirming the order, there are two buttons, receive product and receive. If we click on the receive button, then the product will be automatically stored in that warehouse. Yeah. So now I am going to click on that receive product menu. Okay. So if I refresh this page, here the quantity is 1000. Just I am reloading the page. We can see that the product is updated. Okay, so we can update the product quantity, and we can buy product from supplier invoice. Okay, now we are going to pause. From POS interface, we can categorize the product in different categories. Here we are fruits and vegetables partners. So in the POS interface, we can use the barcode scanner, or we can select product manually. So suppose here I am clicking this product and the quantity is 25. The product will be automatically updated. So this product is 65, so it is updated. Here we can see the product stock and price. This left side figures are product stock, and right side this is the product price. Here if we select on 0 or minus product, the system will notify me. Suppose I am clicking on this product, so the product stock is available, but it will be added in the stock. So in spite of having 0 or minus figure, if you want to sell product, the system will allow us, but it will be marked as red in the report. Okay, next I am deleting this product. And another thing, then we can allow customer discount in two phases. If we want to provide discount in line item wise, we can click on this discount option. So I am allowing 5% discount. And another option is that we can also provide a global discount. This is the total discount. So I am allowing discount on this total amount 3000. Suppose I am allowing 5% discount on the total amount. So this total amount is deducted. Okay. So after doing this, we can directly take payment from the customer, and if we want to take multiple order at a time, we can use this plus option, so that another interface comes here. I am taking another order. Okay, so now I am going back to the previous order. Okay, so there I can see two orders. So I am taking payment from the first order. So for taking payment, we can we click on the payment option. Here the options can be increase or decrease based on organization need, and we have cash, credit and bank. So I am receiving this option is cash 2000 and rest of the amount in bank. So after selecting that, I need to validate and the print will be invoice. So cash, bank, there is no exchange. So after that, then you have to go to the next order. So after taking every order, the product stock will be automatically updated. Here it is 29. So I am selling 3. So after taking the payment, so it's 26. So the product will be automatically updated, and we can also, when it is online, we can also see the product updated form. We can also update the product updated form in inventory valuation, in inventory module, and there is inventory valuation module. Here we can see the total product quantity and the inventory value. And there is the stock analysis report. And we can select the warehouse and select any date range for a specific product. So we can display the chart and print the report in PDF or in download in Excel. I'm printing it in PDF. Yeah. So here I can see my stock analysis warehouse wise. Warehouse in your company warehouse, these stocks are available. This is the closing balance, and this is the total stock value, and the stock value is divided by the total quantity and its average weighted average cost. So I have these warehouses, that's why these products are showing separate columns, and this is the total stock value of individual warehouses. In stock analysis, we can also select individual warehouse to get the new report. So that's how in our system total inventory is managed and POS is running, and here the POS runs online and offline both. In offline, the product, when the product is sold, so it will virtually deduct the product from the interface, from POS interface, not from the inventory. But when it will linked with internet, then the stock will update in the inventory also. So this is the beauty of our POS. And another thing that in POS we can sell credit also. So for credit still we have to select customer. So I am selecting this customer, and here I can see the credit limit of that customer. I am selecting this. Okay. So this is so I can see this credit has 4074 credit limit. So when I am going for credit payment, so the system is allowing me to sell it credit. So for selling credit, I will generate a invoice for that customer. So this is the invoice for credit. that there is no buffering or loading for both online and offline in pause. So after selling from the pause, we have to close and validate the session, then we'll get the actual data. In pause, we can create multiple pause session, and each pause session will be assigned to a individual user. So we are in main warehouse pause session, so I am just closing this pause session. So I am closing. This is the total details of that session, how much cash I sold during that session, cash, credit and bank. So I am just validating this session, closing. Okay, that's fine. So in the sales details, if I want to get a pause report, so I am going to take report for only main warehouse pause session for this period. If I go to the print option, yeah, so this is the pause session details, how much products were sold in that session, and this is the payment history, how much credit, bank, cash. So that's all for our product. So inventory management through pause and purchase. So thank you for staying with us.